What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. And you see we back with another video game, but today, bro, we got that Trackhawk red bumper, man. I told y'all boys we was gonna get the Trackhawk red bumper on here. And look, we finally got that thing. And bro, when I tell y'all, this one actually fit, bro. It actually fits. Like this, that ain't nothing, bro. It really ain't nothing, you feel me? Compared to the last one, you can see it's a way better fit, and on this side you really can't even see it. It's a way better fit, bro. And this is how it looks at the back. I told y'all boys I was gonna get the dual exhaust, man. I told y'all, bro, my lights just went off because I had them on probably for too long. But I told y'all I was gonna get the dual exhaust and the Trackhawk red bumper, bro. And that's what we gonna do, you feel me? The Trackhawk exhaust is actually coming in. Well, it actually came in, bro. But I gotta put it on and stuff. After I put it on, then it'll be straight. You feel me? But right now, I told y'all about I want to get the lights on here too. The lights on in the front right here too. Y'all remember my stuff was tripping? I fixed it. My lights are now back and working, bro. And on the sides they working, bro. So this bit is fully, I ain't gonna lie, it's fully finished really, bro. Like, only thing I have to do now, bro, is just probably engine swap it and just do the lowering springs. Cause the exhaust already on the way, you feel me? The exhaust actually gonna be coming in probably anytime this week, you feel me? So that's another plus. So I'ma have the dual pipes on each side, you feel me? So this is the actual real OEM Trackhawk red bumper, bro. And it's actually a different color. It's actually like a dark bluish color. But you really, it look black because it's nighttime right now, bro. But you could kind of see it's a little different shade. It's a dark blue, bro, but it kind of look black, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Nighttime, it honestly look black. And even on the camera, it's kind of hard to pick it up. But I don't have my flash on me, bro. But it's like a gloss. It's like a gloss type dark blue. So that's why it's kind of hard to see, bro. But this is how it's gonna look, you feel me? This is how it's gonna look. And at the bottom, it's gonna have this. And they got this little middle cover piece at the bottom. But I like how clean that mud look, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So if y'all wanna know where to get the Trackhawk red bumper from, I actually got mine from off of eBay, bro. I got mine used, you feel me? But it actually was missing the middle cover piece. I had to order that middle cover piece, bro, in the middle. So I ain't gonna lie, bro, it might be hard to find this Trackhawk red bumper because this is not like, it's not like the one I had before. Like the one I had before was a SRT red bumper, and it was a little bit different from this one, bro. But I'm gonna show y'all how that one look. Probably like, I'm gonna put a picture of that on screen so y'all can see how that look, bro. But it actually did not fit how I wanted it to, so I had to take it off. And nah, that's what made me get this one, cause I know this one will actually fit how I actually wanted to, bro. And I don't know if y'all boys can see though, in my city, bro, I just be watching I ain't gonna lie, I just be watching my surroundings, bro. They got somebody over there just jumping around like he retarded or something, you feel me? So I'm just watching him in the corner of my eye. Had to fire his ass up one time. But nah, bro, we ain't even trying to do all that. You know, I know I got God with me. What they hungry for over there? But nah, I know I got God with me, you feel me? Y'all boys though, I'm telling y'all, bro, once I get the dual exhaust on this mud, bro, this bit actually gonna be running, and it's gonna be, the exhaust is gonna just put the whole truck together, bro. Like, yeah, it's gonna be quiet. I know that, bro. I'm not tripping off of how quiet it is. My main thing is I'm just trying to get the whole exterior done, bro. And then I told y'all I was gonna go to the engine swap after the exterior, bro. But just look at this right here, bro. Like, this view right here is crazy, bro. I might actually have to take some flicks out here, bro. I can't lie to you, cause it bitch, This mud look nice, bro. But like I was saying, bro, y'all just make sure y'all let me know, man, what y'all want to see, bro. Cause I ain't gonna really make this video too long, bro. But I told y'all boys the plan I was gonna do with this Jeep, bro. I was gonna upgrade the exterior, upgrade all of the interior. I almost finished everything, really, bro. I did the interior, the exterior. I did the exterior, bro. Only thing I did the exterior. I just finished the exterior, and the exhaust on the way right now, bro. So after I finish that, that's when I know y'all boys been waiting, man, and it took me forever, you feel me? But I had to go through the process, you feel me? And I'm still going through the process, you feel me? But the engine swap, trust me, bro, it's coming, bro. It's coming, bro. I know y'all been wanting this so bad, bro. It's coming, bro. But look, I want to show y'all boys something, man. I want to show y'all boys something. On the app, I had turned the lights down on accident. They got a little control on my phone. And they got a little controller, like, that's like a little key type thing. But see, I can turn the lights white. And you can actually, like, see inside the grill, bro. See how clean that bit is. I like how it look though. See how clean that mud is, bro? A brand new motherfucker. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This thing ready for the swap, bro. It's ready for the swap now, bro. So, like I said, bro, y'all boys, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Cause I'm telling you, bro, this Jeep right here, bro. Me and this Jeep, bro. We gonna go a long way, bro. It's gonna be a lot of fun though, and I'm gonna keep modding it, doing what I want to, bro. But y'all just make sure, bro. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, bro, how you doing, man? What's up? But look, if you're new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, man. It's your boy Young Jay. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video game. Peace.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.